Yeah. Good morning, everybody. This is try number 2, MarketChameleon.com. Adam and Will, we got it rolling this morning, man. High tech. This is what happens when you're in the jungle, right, brother?
Yeah, no emojis though. We're on
No emojis at all.
Google online. I love Google Plus. It's amazing what it can do.
Is this Google Plus or Google Hangouts, or I don't know what this is? Google something. Remember, everybody, option trading is risky. We are not here to tell you what to trade. We are here to give you ideas and to introduce you to the MarketChameleon.com website, which give you some of that data and sweet analytics that you need to help you trade. Remember, click the links down below. You can visit us, MarketChameleon.com. And Will, why don't you share your screen with us today? What do we got going on today?
Oh, I'll share it. I will share it. Let's hope we can play with this new technology.
Imagine when I'm in Europe. First of all, do you think it's going to be any better when I'm in Europe, man, and we got the tech going on over there? Do you think they have better internet than we have here?
I would say no.
I guess we're going to see.
Is that a monkey in the background? What am I hearing there? There's something interesting going on down there in Costa Rica.
I think that's probably somebody cutting down a tree, cutting down the jungle, man.
Can you do that in Costa Rica? Can you just cut a tree?
There's Granny. Granny just chimed in.
Oh,
What's that,
all right.
Granny? All right. So we got the kids on your side. I got Granny on my side. And are you presenting? Yes, I got your screen, brother. What are you walking us through today?
All right. Well, the first thing I wanted to show you is this CFG is down 12 days in a row. I mean, this is the parent company for Citizens Bank, and it's a great bank based out of the Northeast, and it's been down 12 days in a row. You look at just do a basic look at the fundamentals here, and their dividend yield is almost 4%. PE ratios below 8. I mean, these bank stocks are starting to look very attractive. You look at JP Morgan, another one, another financial. And again, it's PE's down to 11, 3.3%. Look, so there is some opportunity in these bank stocks to start looking for. I just did a quick search of the credit put spreads, and CFG1 appeared. It had a 62% win rate. But start going through. You can look at JP Morgan. A lot of theoretical edge, high win rates, downside cushion, percent return on stock. I mean, there are a lot of opportunities in these banks.
As you said, it might be time to start dipping your toe, right? Not going full on in, because there might be more to this bottom, right? There might be more downside, right?
Oh, for sure. You've got to have you got to identify your risk, and you never want to put more than 1 to 2% of your portfolio in any trade. So it's just a spot to start dipping in, and options are a great way to start looking at that. I mean, when you talk about the risk, you can look at SPY. I was looking at the risk protections. That's what it's. These are the risk protection stats. Now, the puts are now costing you almost 3% to protect your downside. Again, another spot to start looking at opportunities to dip your toe in, because you've got a lot of people coming after the puts. I think the put call ratio yesterday was at its highest since 2008. That's the number of puts traded to the number of calls.
Wow.
So at some point, I mean, we used a very technical term, a whoosh, like a toilet bowl flush, but you're really gonna need something like that, where you have all the talking heads on CNBC jumping up and down. I can't believe this. And
right. I don't hear the end of the world talk yet. We're not at that point, but honestly, it wouldn't take much. Just a couple really, really bad days.
Well, you are getting the commentary. I mean, not that you don't get commentary every day from El Presidente, good hair man, but you're starting to hear things like they're blaming the high frequency traders.
Oh boy,
it's close, because I mean, everything that's showing up in the economy today seems good. The jobless numbers, everything. So this is, what the market tends to do is tend to start to price, a year, 2 years out. Is there going to be a recession? Is there? So you've got to start putting those debates in your head, and again, dip your toe in with some options. I just looked at some bullish SPY spreads, a lot on the bullish side, but you can also look, at the bearish side, depending on where you want to get in, and look for opportunities. You have, the, the puts allow you a lot of places where, again, you can be wrong in direction, but the puts will allow you, because you have the cushion, the theoretical edge, you can still make money with the options. So,
Yep.
Take everything into consideration, play small, but yeah, I mean, in these high volatile times, a lot of opportunities appear in these options.
Good stuff, man. You got anything else for us today, brother?
Well, I did, as I was scrolling through this morning, this Emerson appeared, because it's been down numerous days in a row as well. It showed up in the Chameleon feed. And this is, everyone looked at GE as the bellwether for industrial companies. And this company has taken over that role. I mean, it is in everything. And it's just a well-run, large multinational, and they produce a lot of different products that we use every day. And you look, their yields 3.5%, P ratios under 20 now. It's, it is a large company that has, a great future. So I looked at some credit put spreads, and I'm looking at a lot of the credit spreads because all the volatilities are high now. And so I want to take in a credit, basically, get paid for holding these things. And again, looking theoretical edge, win rates, the numbers look good to start dipping your toe in some of these products that you may that you want to get long. And you
like
still
long term. You're looking at long term, taking a little money now.
I'm looking at 60 days, yeah, where you can, if you get it any sort of bounce, and you still have cushion to the downside in these trades. We're looking at the downside cushion. You can still find trades with downside cushion. Who's not going to take 13% for 60 days? I mean, it's the returns look good. So, use these screeners. I mean, maybe we should just rename them. We're calling them screeners. I mean, these are back testers. I mean, you're back testing this EMR, and you're getting to look at results, and you can start making decisions, with some real good data on your side. And that's really what you have to do. I guess I have two more things. And this was, I've talked about it a little bit, but it's these, and I shouldn't say I'm infatuated with them, but these.
Well, dude, everyone's infatuated with 10%, returns in one day. I mean, who isn't it's hard not to like that. The only problem is that 10% turns into a negative 30% the next day.
Yeah, this again is the weed stocks, and maybe it's just funny to talk about, thinking where the this was a gateway drug when we were growing up in the 80s, and was smoked, rolled badly in by bad paper, and smoked in funny looking pipes, and all sorts of things when we were through college into the 90s. And now it's they're talking about it like it's the future of healthcare, and
right, you're gonna be able to get it everywhere, right?
Yeah, and beverages, and they've synthesized it. But I was just saying, well, this TLRY is moving, it moved 10%. It's up 2% in pre-market. So I just wanted to look and see what other stocks are in that space. So I clicked on similar stocks, and I'm going to start building a portfolio of them so I can watch them. Yeah. If you click on the plus, did you see that?
Yeah.
You can add it.
Add it to your watch list.
Yeah, and so I'm just going to start building a portfolio of these marijuana stocks. Keep an eye on them.
It's just it's just so risky in that if the market does do that flushing sound that we're talking about, these are going to get absolutely murdered. I mean, right?
Well,
that's the feeling.
Well, it has. I mean, that's why I'm looking at them. I mean, these. Yeah. I mean, listen. I think everything right now is in a bear market, which means 20% off their high. And I think the Nasdaq finally hit it. I mean, there's not that they can't go down more. Not that the flush is going to occur when you start hearing well, this hedge fund went out of business. This trader's closing down. You know, that's when the people who are really leveraged have to get out. And that's, you know, when their positions enter the market because they're clearing them out. That's the whoosh sound.
That's when we buy.
And you want to start, you know, building those pieces that, you know, understanding which ones you want to own at that point.
That's right. You're getting ready for those days, right? Start dipping your toes in and seeing where opportunity is.
So,
Good
anyways,
stuff today, man.
you can dig through these fact sheets and start seeing what they do, and you know, adding them to your. And this goes for any stock,
certainly
right?
Tilray's the one that it's chirping the loudest. You know, it's the one that's in the news every day. You know, they're trying to make moves. I don't know, but that's my concern, is that they're making moves just to try and keep themselves at the top of the news cycle, rather than an actual real company. And you know, you got to be careful, right?
Again, screen for bullish spreads and bearish spreads, and you have to be the one who builds your own thesis on what you want to do. But you know, the options give you, you know, you can benefit both up, down. You know, if it sits still, I mean, that's what the options allow you to do. And what our back testing does is give you the best opportunity to put those things on. They show you you know, the strikes that have performed the best. So take a look at the screener. I guess going out, I would look at Google. I mean, we are on Google Plus. It is amazing how often we use it.
I love how you call it Google Plus.
It's Google.
I believe we're on Google Gmail right now. Is this Gmail? I'm not sure.
Well, those are all.
I think actually they put Google Pluses out of. I don't know if they've completely closed it, but that was. It's amazing how you think these companies. Look, Google has all the power, all the leverage, all the people on the email. I mean, it's, you know, and still they couldn't make that work. Right?
They weren't able to
make that work.
They were not able to make it in social.
Couldn't make it work.
It's amazing. And there was a lot of risk in it. They obviously found out from a. You know, they had some little hacker break in, and you know, it's amazing that their email, nothing's ever happened, or maybe they've kept it very quiet. Because everyone uses, well, I shouldn't say everyone, but a lot of people use their email, and their tools are powerful. I mean, we use, you know, Google Docs, Google Sheets. You can share them. I mean, it's really you know, a lot of great products out there. But the one they acquired, your beloved YouTube. There was something that appeared on YouTube yesterday talking about how this gentleman now has his own show based on videos he put out on YouTube. And one of his favorite videos, he was playing with a bullet ant. Have you ever run into a bullet ant?
Dude, about 1,000 of them. One time I'm down here, actually, right behind. Look at.
Can you hear that?
No, can't hear it, man. No, one time I'm here. I'll narrate as I'm chopping down a tree, literally right behind where I am right now. I'm chopping down this tree with a machete, and about 30 seconds in, I'm in shorts and stuff. About 30 seconds in, my entire leg is on fire. They'd crawled up my legs. I haven't even feel them crawl up, and all of a sudden they gave each other a signal like go, and it was just full on stings. And you know, I'm running around like a madman trying to get him off me, run up, and you know. But yes, they are here, man. Was he in the jungles of Costa Rica right there?
Yeah, no, that's where he was. He went to Costa Rica. This bug, I guess it's the worst sting known to man.
No, that's not true, dude. That's not true.
Well, he's selling.
Stung by, you know what the worst is? There's this caterpillar down here. I brushed one of those things off my leg. It was like getting stung by like fire needles. That was the worst ever.
All right. Well, he claims the bullet ant, and there's the bite mark. But the point being, he's been able to use YouTube to position himself to get a TV show, which is incredible. And he goes everywhere to get stung by bugs. That's his deal. But that's what your leg must have looked like.
It wasn't that bad. I think that guy's. I think he's, you know, blowing it up a little bit.
Oh, you think?
Trust me, they're not that bad. Way worse is that caterpillar I just told you guys about.
There it is. Can you get that caterpillar? That could probably get us a couple thousand views. You have to put it.
Hey, man, caterpillars are just like trading. Everybody be careful out there. Remember, click the links down below. You can follow us, MarketChameleon.com. You can use our products or tools for free. Sign up for the premium if you want to give a 7-day free trial and try out that awesomeness. Right, brother?
Oh, definitely.
All right, everybody. Have a great day
holiday.
trading.
Bye-bye.
Later.